So we'll see how to do a contains and not contains assertion in SoapUI. We will be using the REST countries API, which is publicly available, and this gives us a huge response with a good amount of data for us to play around with. Just did a query for the countries in region Asia, and you can see a simple response in here with all the countries and other informations for that country. So we need to add this API in a test case, and for that I need to do a right click, add to test case, and create new test suite. Okay, just name it as demo suite. Okay, keep default for the other information, and we have just added a test case in here, and by default the test case or the API opens up here, and I have to do a REST request in order to start adding the assertions, because assertions need to work on top of the response. So let me do a query again here, and we got some response here. That's okay. This is JSON, so we got the same response in here which I showed you earlier. So let's start to add assertions here. Go to assertions, and the plus sign here, you need to click on this plus sign here. So just add contains assertion here, click add, and I can actually search for any string within this response here. So let me search for southern, so UTHERN Asia, and let me edit. So this is a valid string. This is green, so it says that it's valid, it's correct. So when you run this test case, this test will pass because Southern Asia is part of the response. And if to show you something which is not there, 1 2 3, so the string it will not be able to find, so it should actually fail, and you can see that it's red in here. So let me remove this. Actually you can search, you can do a contains on the value or the object or element in here. So let me remove this and do a search on region, which should also be passed here. So it shows as green in here. That means it's the region word is available within the response in here. So that's about the contains Asia. I just put something which is available here, Afghan, FGHAN, and okay.